When you're creating income from property, there's one skill that you absolutely must master, and that is financial engineering, the ability to retain more of that income. And when you're involved in financial engineering, SPVs, LLPs, limited companies, and the like, could be SaaS, the one key thing is simplicity. It's been said by Leonardo Da Vinci that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and it's right on the money when financial engineering to retain more income is your focus, and that absolutely should be your focus. So today we're going to jump into financial engineering, keeping it really simple, keeping it vanilla, and to retain more of your hard-earned earnings. The key thing is to keep it safe. You know, I've been looking for a certain structure to go at the back of my holding company and the back of my LLP for a number of years now. And everything I've seen has been incredibly risky. It's been offshore, number one, which is a big, red, it's a big no-go for me. And then number two has been that many different layers of complexity that, just kind of put me off every single turn. So I've been kind of looking for 6 or 7 years now for something like a trust to go at the back of my existing entities. And it looks like we may have found it. And that's going to come way down the road after I've done more investigation. And the tax specialist that's putting this together, I've got a meeting with my LLP specialist, and they're both going to, the three of us are going to be there just chewing the fat just to make sure this is 100%. And if it is, it's going to be absolutely fantastic, equally as good, and in some ways a lot better than a SaaS. And a SaaS is great, but the negative thing about a SaaS is that it retains the money. Yes, you can loan it back to your company and utilize it that way, but eventually the income's going into the SaaS, which is great because it's income, free of tax, it's capital gains free of tax, and it's inheritance free of tax. Where this other structure, which will be in conjunction with my SaaS, this other structure is going to be capital gains tax proof and inheritance tax proof, but you can gain access to the money, the rental along the way, which is pretty cool.